So I invite you to take a few moments with me, and if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. If not, just find a spot on the chair or the ground in front of you to soften your gaze. Yeah, just allow this moment to be. Allowing this moment to be. I invite you to settle into the goodness of this moment. Goodness being the perfect order that it is. There's nothing to change, there's nothing to do different. Allow yourself to accept exactly the way it is and exactly the way it's not. Know that the spirit of life is unfolding for your eternal good. Let each moment be its own perfect moment. Allow your heart to be the state of unconditional love. And as you pour that love forward, know that you cannot outgive the universe. That love is waiting to come back to you tenfold. So allow yourself to let it all go and accept it fully. The kingdom of life and love is within you. You are perfect, whole, and complete. Allow yourself to take a nice deep breath in. Let that go. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes. Namaste.